Most people wake up with this mindset every day that I need to make more money. I want to make more money. I need to raise more money. But there is this truth you need to understand about money. And that is, you don't manufacture money. Meaning, you don't print money. You can't print money. You don't do that. If you are printing money and you're caught, you go to jail because it's illegal. That is done by the federal government. Now, what am I trying to say? You see, you need to listen to this very well. Get this point very clearly. Everything you want is in the hands of a stranger. Yes, strangers have everything that you need. Your mother don't have it. Your daddy don't have it. Your uncles don't have it. Your nieces, aunties, and your relations don't have that. The money that you want, the freedom that you desire is in the hands, the bank accounts, and the companies of the people you don't know. So this is what you need to be doing. You need to be asking, how do I create quality or build more quality relationship? You need to connect with people that can get you to freedom. People make you money. When you have more people, more solid relationships, more clients, you make more money. It's just natural. Money in itself is passionless, which means this money has no passion in it. It's just a piece of paper. It was printed by a machine. Without people, there is no money. Without people, you can't make money. Eliminate people in the world and this money becomes useless. So if all you do is to break bridges with everyone you met, you're invariably telling yourself you don't need more money. You need to read books. You need to read more books on relationship. You need to read books on building quality relationship, on getting contacts, quality contacts. You need to build bridges, solid bridges. You need to build more bridges than you destroy, because it is the people that you meet along the line, is the people that you meet in your life that can create you the money, that can make you the money that you desire and give you the freedom that you need. If you had bad attitude or character, you chase people away from you. You chase away your potential destiny helpers. Arrogance, pride, and bad behavior will do you more harm than good. If you get more hate and rejection from people or people not wanting to help you, you just need to pause, think, and check your behavior. It might be what is hurting you badly. Now, I'm not trying to say that everyone must love you. No, it's never possible. People can hate you for no just cause. But the point is this: ensure that the hatred isn't just coming due to bad behavior and arrogance, but for a just cause. And if the hatred is coming just for a just cause, it's normal. People hate people for no just cause. People hate people for no reason. It might be that you are chasing your goals, or you are chasing your vision, or you're chasing a potential big dream that people are looking at. People can hate you for that. And if you are getting hatred due to the fact that you are chasing a just cause, it's normal. In fact, you are on the right track if you are getting hatred because you are chasing your dream. But if you are getting hatred because of bad behavior and arrogance, you need to watch it and change from it. But if it's for a just cause, let it be. The end will justify you. So the whole point of this video in a nutshell is this: people make you money and give you the freedom you desire. So instead of just waking up and asking or thinking of how to make more money or how to make money, you should rather sit down, think, research on how to build more quality relationship that will get you the money you want and give you the freedom you desire. People make you money. Selah. So thank you for watching this episode, and if you got value from this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. It is free of charge. Just hit the red button if you're yet to subscribe, and just give this video a thumbs up so that it can help the YouTube algorithm to get to other people. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Benzik, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers.